Hello everybody and welcome to another session of Maths with Mr. Luke. Are you all sitting beautifully? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. 1, 2, eyes on you. Looking, listening, thinking and concentrating. I can see you are all sat beautifully, so I shall begin. Now, first things first, we're going to do our maths warm-up. So make sure, everybody, that you have your whiteboards and your pens or a piece of paper and a pencil with you. If you haven't got those things ready, it doesn't matter. Pause the video now and come back when you have. Okay, I can see everybody is now ready, so we will have a look at the first question. We have got a number sentence here, and it says 10 take away 5 equals. 10 take away 5 equals. And I want you to have a go at answering this. Now, I haven't given you a number line today. There is no number line. So you're going to have to think of another way of doing it that I have shown you before a long time ago, but you're going to have to think. Pause the video and come back when you've had a go at answering this question. Okay. I can see that you've all had a jolly good go. Now, we've got 10 take away 5. So first of all, we need to have 10. So I'm going to draw 10 circles. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we are taking away 5. Which means we have to get rid of 5. So I'm going to cross 5 of these circles out. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've crossed out 5, and now all I have to do is count how many I've got left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer must be 5. 10 take away 5 equals 5. If you got that right, give yourselves a big tick. If not, go back and have another go. I know you can do this, everybody. Let's have a look at the next one. Here we've got 11 take away 3 equals. 11 take away 3 equals. Pause the video and come back when you've had a go. Okay, I can see you've all had a go. So we had 11 take away 3 equals. So we have to start with 11. So I'm going to draw 11 circles. You count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we have to take away 3, which means we're getting rid of 3. So I'm going to cross out 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Then we just have to count how many circles we've got left. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer must be the number 8. If you got that one right, give yourselves a big tick. If not, go back and have another go. You'll get it right next time, I am sure. Now our number sentence says 12 take away 6 equals. 12 take away 6 equals. So first of all, you need to start with 12. Okay, pause the video and come back when you've had a go. Right, I can see so many of you have had a go. Our number sentence was 12 take away 6 equals. So we need to start with the number 12, which means I need to draw 12 circles. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we are taking away 6, which means I need to cross out 6 of these circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And all I've got to do now is count how many I have got left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is 6. And if you got that right, give yourselves a big tick. 12 take away 6 equals 6. If you didn't get that right, go back and have another go. Let's look at our final question for our warm-up today. Okay, our question here is 15 take away 10 equals. 15 take away 10 equals. Have a go. Pause the video and come back when you are ready. Okay, I can see you've all had a good go at this now. 15 take away 10 equals. So the first thing you need to do is have 15 circles. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ooh, that's a lot of circles. We have to draw a lot of circles today. And we are taking away 10, which means we need to cross out 10 of these circles. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got rid of 10, and now we need to count how many we've got left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 5. 15 take away 10 equals 5. If you've got that one right, give yourselves a big tick. If not, have another go. I'm sure you will get it right next time. Well done, everybody. What a great maths warm-up. So today we're going to be looking at number formation. So many of you know all of your numbers. We just need to practice to make sure we are writing them properly. We need to make sure we are writing them properly. And some of our numbers are backwards at the moment. So if we remember these rhymes, hopefully they won't be backwards anymore. So we're going to start with our 0. And our rhyme for 0 is around and round and round we go. When we get home, we have a 0. So our pencil is there. That's where we need to start. Let's watch it. Around and around and around we go. When we get home, we have a 0. Have a go at that one. The next one is the number 1. And for the number 1, it says start at the top and down we run. That's the way to make a 1. Start at the top and down we run. That's the way we make a 1. Now, I've seen some of you start at the bottom and go to the top. We don't do that. We start at the top and down we run. So just remember that for me, everyone. Now it's time for the number 2. And you can see we have a train. And the number 2 is our railway track. And it says around and back on a railway track, 2, 2, 2. So this is where you need to start. Let's have a look at the pencil. Around and back on a railway track, 2, 2, 2. The number 3. And in between the number 3, you can see 2 trees. And these are going to help us with our rhyme. And our rhyme is around a tree, around the tree. That's the way to make a 3. So start where your pencil is, and we're going to go around the tree, around the tree. That's the way to make a 3. I'm going to do that one more time for you. Around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to make a 3. The number 4 is an easy one. I'm sure many of you can do this really, really easy. It says down and over and down some more. That's the way to make a 4. So you need to start where the pencil is and then go down and over and down some more. That's the way to make a 4. Let's watch it. Down and over. And then we're going to go down once more. From there, we're going to go down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Down and over and down some more. That's the way to make a 4. Now, number 5 is another one that many of you find very, very tricky because you don't do it in the right order. But I'm going to help you. Let's get our pencil. Now, we start here. It's very important that you start where the pencil is, and you're going to go down and around. Then you're going to do your flag on the top, down and around, and a flag on high. That's the way to make a 5. Down and around and a flag on high. That's the way to make a 5. Okay, can you remember that? Well done, everybody. the number 6. Now you start where the pencil is at the top with the number 6. And we go down, we go and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. Let's watch this one. Down we go and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. You can all have a go at that. I think that one's quite an easy one. Now we have the number 7. And the number 7, you start at the top and you go across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Let's see. Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. That's an easy one. I think you can all do this one, but I know we're coming on to a really, really tricky one. I think the number 8 is the most tricky one to do out of all of them, and you need to start at the top. And the first thing you need to do is make an S, a S. You need to make a shape. So make an S and do not wait, join it up, you have an 8. Have a go at this one. Make an S, but do not wait, join it up, you have an 8. And I'm going to show you that one more time. Make an S, but do not wait, join it up, you have an 8. Now, if you can do that, you will be superstars. That's really, really tricky. Let's look at the last one. The last one we're going to practice is the number 9, and we're going to get our pencil, and you have to start here. And it says make a loop and then a line. That's the way to make a line. So let's watch it. Make a loop and then a line. That's the way to make a 9. And I know you're going to be doing beautiful number formation from now on, because you're going to really, really concentrate, because you are maths geniuses. Now, just to practice what we've just learnt with our number formation, I've given you some snakes, and my snakes have got missing numbers, and we are going to write the missing numbers in. So we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the next one, 5. And we're going to go down and around with a flag on high. That's the way to make a 5. The next one will be a 6. Down we go. Ooh, let's get off that. Down we go and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. And the last one is the number 7. Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Now we're going to be moving on to our teen numbers now. So we've got 11, 12, 13. 13 is a 1 with a 3. So start at the top and down we run. That's the way to make a 1. And then we need a 3, around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to make a 3. 1 with a 3 is 13. 13, 14, 15, 16. Start at the top and down we run. And then we need to do a 6. Start at the top and make a loop. Number 6 has a hoop. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So let's start with our 1. Start at the top and down we run. That's the way to make a 1. And then we need an 8. Make an S. Do not wait. Join it up. You have an 8. 18. Brilliant, everybody. Oh, it looks like we're going backwards this time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Start at the top and make a loop. Number 6 has a hoop. Then we need 5, down and around, and a flag on high. That's the way to make a 5. And then we need a 4, down and across and down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Well done, everybody. Your number formation is fantastic. Ooh, this is getting very tricky here. Very tricky. We've got some big numbers. 26, 27, 28. 28 is a 2 and an 8. Around and back on a railway track, 2, 2, 2. And then make an S, but do not wait. Join it up. You have an 8. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to make a 3. Around and around and around we go. When we get home, we have a 0, 30, 31, 32. Around a tree, that's the way to make a 3. Around and back on a railway track, 2, 2, 2. A 3 with a 2 is 32. So now everybody, it's time for today's maths challenge. Now we're just going to be practicing our numbers today. We're going to be practicing our numbers because it's very important to keep practicing so we keep remembering them, and we need to do a little bit of number work every day so we do not forget. I've got 2 activities for you. The first activity here is I've got some number lines, but lots of the numbers are missing, and the missing numbers are down here. You need to cut them out and stick them in the right place, okay? So cut these numbers out and stick them in the right place. And down here, we've got some superhero number lines, and you have to write the missing numbers in the right place, all the way up to 20. I know you can do this because you are the best, and good luck, everybody. And I look forward to seeing you later for live teaching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.